Today, I really want things to calm down. I'm just like waiting for, something different to happen. I mean, we would love some rain. I know we're hopefully tracking some. I just don't want it to be crazy,
I mean, it's Oklahoma weather.
I know.
It's probably going to be crazy.
Why do we have to go from nothing to just bam?
I know. I was saying yesterday, I'm like, we wanted rain so bad, but Mother Nature's like, how about severe weather? Would you like that?
What season are we? Where are we at? I mean, are we just going to skip fall
I've had my sweaters on
No.
standby for so long, and I only got
dusty.
to wear them like 2
Yeah,
days.
they
They're getting dusty. Soon we're going to have to dust off the winter coats. So
put them outside and let them blow off today.
Literally, we're going to have to do that because the winds are very strong on the way out the door this morning, as we are still, of course, tracking those strong winds. So we are seeing a little bit of some cloud coverage out there, some shaky cameras here or there, all part of Wade's RV Weather Camera Network. But temperatures are so warm this morning, so keep that in mind as you're preparing for today. There is no need to have, unfortunately, the sweater, the jacket, anything like that. It's going to be warm today, especially through this afternoon. So we're all waking up. We've got the low 70s, and then we also are factoring in some very strong wind gusts ranging between 15 to 25 miles per hour. But these are really going to start to pick up as we go towards later this afternoon. So that wind advisory still in place. That does include portions of Tulsa, or that does include Tulsa County and really just all of our northern counties. This is going to go from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. because we could see wind gusts ranging between 30 to 40 miles per hour. However, there could be some isolated spots upwards of 45 miles per hour. So when they're getting ready to head off to school for those kiddos, 71, warm start, and then by the afternoon you have 81 degrees, partly cloudy skies, and those very strong southerly winds, 20 to 30 miles per hour. Our afternoon highs are far above our average. We're just asking, what are we sure we're in October, especially as we're only 2 days away from Halloween? Certainly not feeling like that by any means, especially as we're going into November. We're still looking at those low 80s and still dry for today, but we are finally talking about some changes. So tomorrow morning, it's going to be a cloudy day, especially in the morning. Most of the day will be dry, but as we look here about 1 o'clock, that's when we'll start to see some light showers starting to populate, and then it becomes very widely scattered. So all of us do have a good chance to see some rain. Some may see more than others, but here's about 5 o'clock. What we're really keeping an eye out on is a chance for strong storms to develop, and we do have that potential going into about 7:30. We're still tracking widely scattered showers and storms. Main threat is going to be large hail and damaging winds, but we can't rule out an isolated tornado or two to develop. And then this is really going along this front. So here's about 10:30. Tulsa looks to be in the clear as these continue to shift further towards the southeast, still tracking the chance for severe storms. But by the time we get to Thursday, most of us look dry. We see those calm northerly winds move in. So all of Green Country currently still in that slight risk. Of course, we have to have severe storms, because why not? But we do have more rain chances in the forecast. So here's meteorologist Annie Brown with those details.
Yeah, Emma, we knew we'd have to have that strong front come in to get those cooler temperatures, to get that rainfall. But we could do it without some of those limited tornado threats, I'll tell you that. Let's go and pull to what we've seen so far. Can you believe it's already the end of October? This month has flown by, but probably because we've just felt like we've been having Groundhog Day every day with weather. We've been waking up doing the same thing over and over and over again. We have hardly had a drop of rainfall, literally, for the month of October. Even September is not great. We're still holding down the third spot, but as you mentioned, that rainfall tomorrow could bring us well out of that top 5, top 10, maybe even the top 20. We'll see about that. We'll see where we go. But here's what we're looking at right now. Anywhere between half an inch to potentially an inch, with some areas locally higher amounts. It's not factoring in those thunderstorms that will be developing, Emma.
So that's the good news there. And another good news for those trick-or-treaters. Looks pleasant, lower 60s with those clear skies, temperatures in the upper 50s. And like I mentioned, more rain chances return this weekend.